Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel first. In today's video, I'll tell you that how you can check that who's watched or who opened or who seed your profile of TikTok. So guys, if you want to check that who has watched or visited your profile of TikTok or your TikTok profile, then what you have to do is you have to just open your TikTok. If you haven't downloaded it, you can download it from Play Store and just tap on update option if you haven't updated. And I have already updated, so I'm just opening my TikTok. So guys, what you have to do is now you have to tap on profile. Now here's an icon of eye, so you have to tap on that icon just with these three lines. So I am tapping on this. Now you can see that there's an option that turn on profile view history. Other people can see that you viewed their profiles in the past 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile. So guys, they are saying that you will be able to see that who viewed your profile or who checked your TikTok account, and those people can also see if you will check their profile, then they will also be able to see that you have checked their profiles. So guys, they're also saying that you can turn this off anytime. So guys, if you want to turn off, I'll show you that how you can turn off that. But first of all, turn on. Now guys, profile view history will appear here if anyone will view your profile or TikTok account. So guys, now go back. Now I'll show you that how you can turn off that option. So just tap on this icon. Now tap on settings. Now here's an option of profile view history. You have to turn off. So guys, now you are in back status, and no one will be able to see that you have viewed their profile, and you will also not be able to see that who viewed your profile. So guys, if you like my video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, share to your friends also. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.